Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Technitium, Pihole, and AdGuard to help you decide which ad blocking platform is better in 2025. So let's start with Technitium DNS Server. It is a full-featured DNS server with built-in ad blocking, customizable records, and excellent local control. Next is Pihole, a Raspberry Pi favorite that filters ads across your entire network using DNS level blocking. And we have AdGuard Home. It is an easy-to-use DNS-based filter with parental controls, tracking, protection, and UI management. So next we will compare three of them. Number one is for their setup difficulty. Pihole and Technitium require some technical knowledge, while AdGuard is slightly more beginner-friendly. Number two, for their UI and experience. Technitium has a powerful admin panel, while AdGuard's dashboard is the most intuitive. Pihole is functional but very basic. Number three, features. Technitium supports full DNS configuration, while AdGuard includes tracker and malware blocking, while Pihole sticks to core DNS blocking. Number 4 in their performance. All three are lightweight, but Technitium handles large traffic better. Pihole works great for home, and AdGuard strikes a balance. And for the final verdict, for power users, choose Technitium. For simplicity, go with AdGuard. And for Raspberry Pi fans, Pi-hole remains reliable. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.